Hi, I'm Michelle Borbring, the Vice President of StarBoard Solutions for Europe. With me I have my team. We're all based in Berlin, so please at the end make sure to reach out to us. This is our brand new product. It's a digital flip chart, has an onboard Android, an ultra slim frame, so almost mimics in-glass technology, yet we are using IR, so pretty revolutionary for this marketplace. As you can see, it can flip around so that if you have an application that is either in vertical or horizontal, you're able to do both. There are a lot of presets on here, so you can change the background color, select a pan, and write on the board and capture notes. You can also have people join the session and equally see at the same time as you doing it. So the idea is just taking digital flip charting into the digital age. If you'd like to get hold of us, it would be great if you could contact us on www.starboard-solution.eu. Thanks very much.